Oh no! Somebody's playing dead. Wait. Wait. Remember, you're dead. Quitos. Good dog. Good morning, Penny. Can you say hello? Hello! That's a good girl. Such a good girl. Can you give me 5? Yeah, that's a good girl. Can you say hello? Hello. 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 That's a good hello. Can you wait? Quitos. Oh, good girl. We're gonna try the new trick. Penny. Bang! You're dead. Quitos. Good girl. Can you give me 5? Bam! That's a great 5, Penny. Here you go. Quitos. Last one and then no mas. Wait. Quitos. Good job. Thanks for watching Penny and I. Don't forget to like and subscribe.